everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to paint a very beautiful and easy painting as well. Like many of you are asking me how do I paint realistic painting with a black background. So this is a tutorial on the same. So here I am using a black sheet. You can get it from any stationery shop. Here I am having acrylic colors as well as watercolors. This is Camlin cake colors, and this is a white pencil which is a normal pencil color because I need to draw the painting first. So let's get started. So first of all I am going to paint, or you can say I am going to sketch the whole painting which I am going to paint. Like I'm going to paint a vase with a bunch of flowers. So this is the drawing of the vase. This is the flower stems. This is the table on which it is written. So the thing which is I'm going to show you is this is like it is very important. Like you can see, I have done with the sketch. So now it's the time to take your brushes and start coloring. So first of all I will use watercolors. Like I'm going to paint this face a little off-white. So take white color, or you can even mix a little bit ochre to give a off-white effect. So one more thing I'm going to tell, like the light is coming from this side, so the shadow will be on this side. So I'm not going to paint the shadow because that is already black. Now you can see, like I have used only white colors, like wherever it is in the pot or in the flowers or even on the table. So that is the thing I'm going to tell. Like as you know, like the background is black, so it will at least take a little bit difficult to catch different colors like red. Red color will not become in its usual forms like red. It will get a little bit maroon. So here I'm just making the base. Like with the white color I have made the base. Now when it will dry, I will paint red, pink, brown, wherever the color is to be. So like wait till it dries. Like you can see, it's almost dried. So now it's time to use acrylic paints. So here I'm using 2-number brush, and this is cherry red color. So start painting. You can even mix white accordingly to give a lighter shade as well, but first I'm using red colors. Now you can see, like it's getting more brighter as we have taken white as a base. Now you can see how gently it will mix, giving a 3D effect. Similarly, we are going to do the same with the whole flowers. So you can see the flowers are almost done. Like now we will highlight the vase. You can see this flower pot. So here I'm using white color. I will also give a little bit creamy effect. Or you can even keep it white only. It's up to you. If you want to give a creamy color, you can even mix a little bit of ochre with this. Else you can even keep it white only. You can even make some leaves, green leaves, like here I have done a little strokes of leaves. We will give a dark green color. So wait a while. Let me find green color. Yeah, this is. So this is sage green. After doing the pot, I will do a little bit sea green. Little strokes of green wherever you want. Okay, it's done. I hope you will like the video and you will love to paint this beautiful flower vase for your home. You can even make somewhere these stems, or you can even give highlight or the little details wherever you want to do. It's up to you.